What's up everyone, my name is Brad Campbell and I'll be your host on today's episode of A Few Minutes on Film. I sat down with my sales team recently to compile the most commonly asked questions that we get from homeowners when it comes to securing windows and doors in a residential property. And we put a lot of questions out on the table and we boiled it down to the 4 most commonly asked questions, and I'm bringing that to you today in this episode. And we'll jump into it right now. One of the most common questions we get is, how are you going to determine which products are best for all my different types of glass doors, windows, solid core doors? And this is a great question because there is no one size fits all or one product fits all. At Campbell, we have Security window film, Security glass, our Riot Glass line of burglary resistant glass, and our Campbell Security screens. Most homes end up with a combination of these different products. We're going to tailor our solution to fit your budget, your concerns, your needs, and that's really how our survey starts out, is sitting down with you to really understand what prompted you to give our company a call. Has there been break-ins in the neighborhood? Did someone attempt to break into your home or successfully break into your home? Or are you just like me and you want to just fortify your home? You want to make sure that if the kids are home alone or you're on vacation or for whatever reason you're unable to defend your home, no one's just going to easily walk in there and have their way, steal your stuff, hurt somebody. So home security is a big concern. It has to be done right. That's what we specialize in. And I think this is a great question and one that should be asked of any vendor. The second most common question we get is, what is the difference between your Security window film product and your Riot Glass product? Security window film is a laminate that's plastic, basically polyester mylar film that's installed on the inside surface of your existing glass. Then we have to attach it around the edge using what's usually either IPA or impact protection adhesive or down 995. In some cases there's mechanical attachment types, but none of the attachments will work if you don't have frames that are conducive to attachment. So in many cases, a sliding glass door, for example, it won't slide past itself because the tolerances are so close if we put a bulky attachment system on there. And any really good attachment system is going to have a little bit of girth to it. It's going to have a little bit of thickness that's going to make it strong enough to withstand a severe attack. So if we don't have room to apply that, just putting window film on a tempered sliding glass door, for example, is going to fail. It's just not going to hold if someone's really smashing on it. So in those cases, we will just remove your existing glass and replace it with a custom-made dual pane, single pane, tinted, low-E, doesn't matter. We'll tailor build it to your needs and what's existing in your home, and we'll just replace your window. That's what Riot Glass does. So it's very effective and used often in combination with our window film products. So window film goes on annealed glass in areas that have good attachment options, and Riot Glass goes in areas that have terrible attachment options, and we just can't really get a good result from window film. The third most commonly asked question we get is, what are these security screens? We'll usually bring a sample of our security screens with us because in so many homes, window film is not the best solution for certain windows. Most homes end up with a combination, as I said earlier, with security window film on some windows, Riot Glass replacement glass on other windows, and security screens on windows and doors that are not conducive to either replacing the glass or putting film on. So it's a combination of those 3 products usually is the sweet spot to really properly secure your home. A good example of that would be your front door. Most front doors, solid core doors or doors with glass in them, it doesn't matter, they're not anchored in very well. There's small screws going into the frame, and if someone, even of small stature, kicks a door, it'll just blow the deadbolt right through the thin metal, and that little metal plate is connected to a little bit of pine usually, and the whole thing just blows out. Just like in the movies when you see law enforcement kicking in a door, that's pretty much how most doors in most of our homes will act when someone kicks on it. Real big vulnerability. Bad guys walk up, ring the doorbell, no one answers, they kick the front door in. So security screens are a super excellent way to really secure your front door and your front side lights beside the doors. And maybe we'll put security screens all the way around your whole home. Depends on your budget. We're tailoring this to your needs and your home. So every home's different, but security screens are an excellent option. The 4th most commonly asked question that we get, and the final question of this video, is, why would I choose your company over your competition? Everybody seems to have a pretty decent window film and everyone seems to pretty much know what they're talking about. Why would I choose Campbell? And the answer is that over the 30 years that we've been evolving as a security company, we've adopted a lot of new products. We've also gone into extensive training protocols for all of our sales staff and our admin staff, and pretty much everyone that comes in contact with you has a good base education on how to properly secure windows and doors. We've got IWFA accreditation. We've also been to Matico's Safety Shield program, multiple different trainings for 3M and Haneditech films. And we also do a lot of demonstrations. We have a whole laboratory at our new facility in Huntington Beach, California, where we do a lot of testing. So we're very, very familiar with what works and what doesn't work, and we can apply that knowledge to an assessment at your home. So we hope that you would choose us. If not, just thoroughly vet your vendor and make sure that they do have some level of training in security products. Well, those are the 4 top questions we get from homeowners about securing their windows and doors. But if for any reason we didn't get to your question, please leave it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to get back to you, usually within 24 hours. If you got a lot out of this content, please give the video a thumbs up. That really helps us out and helps the platforms know to show the video to more people that are searching for this type of content. If you haven't already, maybe consider subscribing or hitting the like button to this channel, and we'll see you on the next video.